Me shooting my Pondmaster 760 into a soda can. Ready? Oh shit! Move!
That means we have to go change.
Oh, holy fuck! Look! Crazy! Look at the damage. Look at what it did to this. Look. The entry. Look at that beautiful entry. And the exit is that little tiny hole right there. Thank you. Subscribe. This is awesome.